Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a Glam Chandelier candle holder duo. So what you're going to need some of this clear diamond chain, and this is from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. What you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need 2 of these little faceted candle holders. You'll need 2 of these fishbowl shaped candle holders. And you will need 2 of these graduated height Tealight holders. Now I'm going to be using some of these peel and stick gemstones. These are from Walmart. And this is the multi-pack, so it has large, medium, and small size peel and stick gemstones. I'm going to be using hot glue on this project for the purposes of the video, but if you're going to be using these candle holders for an extended period of time, or if you'd like to make them permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete these beautiful candle holders, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this Glam Chandelier candle holder duo turn out absolutely beautifully? This was so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share my videos with your friends. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.